Sit on the curb right now.
You should pull
Sit
a
on the curb.
flashlight out on me with a fucking what?
Sit on the curb right now.
Which one?
You said you had a gun, so sit on the curb now.
Which curb?
Sit on the curb right in front of you. Take your hands out of your
Oh,
shirt.
this is Mitchell Jackson, bitch.
Sit down.
What's your name, bitch?
Bailey, sit down.
Bailey, bitch.
Yeah, sit down.
I'm not sitting
Sit
down,
on
bitch.
the curb.
What the fuck did you just pull out on me?
You're telling everybody you have a gun,
Okay.
so sit on the curb.
So, Bailey, bitch, has a gun. Sit on the curb, bitch.
Sit on the curb.
Alright. Which curb, bitch?
Right in front of you.
Alright. So, man, it's not Bailey, bitch.
Sit down.
So, I'm not sitting down, bitch.
Sit down.
I'm not sitting down, Bailey, bitch. What's my name, Bailey? Toss. You bring your camera? Did you bring your camera? And you bring your camera. You got a fucking jaw. So what's your officer name, dude? It's called Jaw. It's called Skull.
Alright, I'm counting three, stand up. 1, 2, 3.
Who are you talking to? Bitches.
Stand up.
You talking to me?
I'm gonna make you stand up. I'm gonna make you walk. Walk forward. Walk forward.
Where are we going?
Walk forward.
So we're talking to you.
Walk forward.
What the fuck is your name?
Walk forward.
No, you fucking don't talk.
Forward.